Hey, up there, alright. It's a bit hot today, so I'm going in shade. I'm going to go check on something. I'll give you a clue. They'll be ready in a couple of weeks. I'm just going to walk here in the shade. Definitely where you want to be. Got to be 23 degrees here. Slow it down. What am I rushing for? No rush here. Which way should we go? Should we go that way? No, we won't. There's too many hawthorn trees down there. Too many there. Let's keep on grass. That sky there. Although alright. Right when it's cooler. Oh yeah. There's two giant trees here. Who can guess what they are? It's not them in front of you. They're hawthorns. It's not that one, because that's an oak. Plenty of trees here. A bit of shade now I'm here. It's not this tree here. The old oak. Not that one. And it's not that one there. Old conker tree there. It's a mighty conker. It's not this here. I don't know what that is. Show you. It's them two right there. Them two big trees right there in front. You know what they are? Hang on a minute, what's this one here? You know what tree that is? Let's have a look. Yeah. You've seen the first one. We'll see the second one now. Oh, that lovely thorn there. Good for burning. Hawthorn. Do you recognise them? This one. And that one there. There's that big sun. That's right. The chestnut trees. Roasted chestnut trees. And these are obviously absolutely lathered in chestnuts. A few more months. The ground will be covered in them. But this is not why we're here. Nice to climb that and all. How easy that is to climb up. Easy head up there. Oh, there. Oh, that shade's nice. Two massive chestnut trees. That one directly in front. This one next to it. Horse chestnut. Roasted chestnuts. This isn't one. This isn't why we're here. Come to check on something else. We'll be ready in about 2 weeks. As I said earlier, let's get a bit more shade here. Size on these trees here. Where you want to be? Out in the wild, in the forest, in the trees. Fresh air. These are not fruit trees, nut trees. What we're looking for is right down this little walkway here. Might have to be a bit quiet now. Nice and steady here. Look at that for a view. Eh? Lovely, innit? I'll look down this walkway here. See if they're coming along nicely. Check for the old nettles. Brambles. Blackbird there. Not cool now. We're looking for in here though. Where we're heading? Right in here. Check for these brambles. There's something wrong here. This is a cooking apple tree. You can see one there, well that, two there. Zoom her in a bit. A cooking apple tree this. I'm not seeing many massive apples. They should be ready in a couple of weeks and there ain't that many of them neither. Now no joke. These apples get big as a football. Some of them. I can't go down there, I've got my shorts on. Look at all them nettles. They might be on outside. I'm not seeing a lot. Now this tree's normally lavered in them. The normal size that. These are cookers. Not seeing a lot. At all. I'm coming here for a couple of years to pick them. And they're not very impressive. End of August. They should be ready. I'm not seeing a lot. Lovely old tree this. There's one there and all. That one's a cooker next to it. The size of plums, some of them. Ah, yeah. What we'll find is they're all on outskirts. Blackbird there. There's one there and all. There she is. Anyway, they must be on outside. Nice. I didn't come for them, but well, they'll be bigger than that by now. They're not big at all. Not big at all. Not big at all. One you can see. One you can see there. I thought they'd be a lot bigger than that.